Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up D Link N300 Router. The D Link N300 is a budget-friendly Wi-Fi router designed for small homes and offices. It provides wireless speeds of up to 300 megabits per second, making it suitable for everyday tasks like web browsing, video streaming, and online gaming. It also includes essential security features and multiple Ethernet ports for wired connections. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Make sure you have the D Link N300 router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and quick installation guide. Plug the power adapter into the router and the other end into a wall socket. Connect the Ethernet cable from your modem to the WAN or Internet port on the router, typically marked in a different color. Use another Ethernet cable to connect your PC or laptop to one of the LAN ports, labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn on your modem, then the router, and finally your computer. Wait for a few minutes. Connect your computer to the router either via the Ethernet cable, recommended for initial setup, or using the Wi-Fi network named D Link, or as mentioned in the quick guide. The default Wi-Fi password is usually printed on the router label or in the manual. Open a web browser and enter 192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Use the default credentials. The username is admin or password is leave blank or admin, also often printed on the router's back. Once logged in, use the setup wizard to configure your internet connection. Choose the connection type. First is dynamic IP, DHCP, most common for cable connections. The second one is PPPoE, typically used for DSL connections. You'll need your ISP provided username and password. And the last one is static IP, if your ISP provided a fixed IP address. Enter the necessary details and proceed. Set Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Navigate to wireless settings. Change the SSID, network name, to something unique. Set the security mode to WPA2PSK for better security. Choose a strong password. Save the settings, apply the changes, and the router may reboot. Now your router setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.